How to clear cache and free up your storage on Mac. To clear up storage on Mac, it is quite simple. You want to make sure that you're in Finder, and in Finder on the top left, we have an option called Go. You can also access this option by pressing Shift, Command and G. So let's try that. Shift, Command and G. You can see this box has shown up. So what you want to type here is basically a squiggly mark, then forward space, then we want to type in library, and in library now we want to type in caches. Now you can see we have caches over here. Click on it or just press enter. You can also double click on it to open it up. You can see we have caches over here. Now, what are these files? These are temporary files that have been created by the Mac itself or some application so that the application is faster. It can just access these files fast and give you a better experience. But not all of these files are always necessary, and honestly over time they are just a lot of junk honestly that resides on your Mac. Now to clear it up, you can press Command plus A. You can see all of this has been selected. Then press Option, Command and Delete to permanently delete it. If you don't want to permanently delete it, you can just press Command plus Delete. I want to permanently delete it. It's just easier. I'm just going to press Option, Command and Delete. You can see. Do you want to immediately delete all of these files? Yes, please do so. And you can see thousands of files are going to be cleared out now. So what does this do is also increase the speed of your Mac, because all of these files are first of all taking up storage, and secondly it makes the application a bit slower as well. Some files it may not be able to delete since they are also running in the background, so we are just going to say okay to that. But overall you can see that a lot of files have been deleted and your Mac should feel faster now. Other than that, you can also go to system settings, go to general, and then go to the storage option on your right, click on it, and then you can just let it do its thing, and you can see which sector is actually taking up storage on your Mac. So in my case, applications is almost 6.68 GB while developers is 1.4, and you can also see system data is quite a bit. So you can go ahead, click on, let's say, documents, click on the I and delete whatever you don't need in this case, right? So I'm just going to delete these files. I think they are not necessary for now. To delete it, I can just select delete over here or press Command plus delete. I'll just select this for now, and you can see 16 GB of files are going to clear out. So that is how you do it. Hopefully you find this video helpful. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comments.